Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to add collaboration to a YouTube video. So if you're looking at how to do so, you may follow up the step-by-step tutorial for that. Start by opening up a browser, and from there you can go to youtube.com. If you're on mobile device, you can directly head over to YouTube Studio. If you're on YouTube here, look out for your profile in the top and click on it and select the option for YouTube Studio and open it up on your screen. Now, once you are here, what you need to do is you need to basically upload up a video. You may go to a content section, and from there you can start by creating a video. You can click on this option called create and upload a video. And once the video is added, this is probably the section you should be finding. You can look out for the title and the description. And what we need to do is basically look out for this section for collaborations. So we have paid promotion collaboration. You can click on show more. You can go over and find the section called collaborator and just select this option of invite collaborator. And once you do so, you can search for a channel that you would like to add. So I'm just gonna add in one of the channel, and once you're okay with it, you can allow analytics viewing. If you want to do so, you can turn this option on and even select this option of create link to create up a link, and you can share that link with the collaborator. You can copy it and share it, and once that is done, you just need to go over and click on save, and once the other person accepts it, you will probably be publishing the video with collaboration. You can click on next and upload the video normally. So you can just go over and click on next and upload the video and publish it. And even after you publish it, at the moment, if the collaboration is accepted, the collaborator will be mentioned in the video that you've uploaded. And that's it. This is how you do it. You may follow this method if you'd like to add up a collaboration on YouTube video. So we hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.